my office has represented thousands of people, okay? And a lot of times people will come to Tempe or to Scottsdale either because they live in the area and they're going to a club or the bars on the weekends, blow off some steam, or they're visiting from out of state and taking advantage of our nice weather and the scenery, and they're out in Tempe and they're Scottsdale and they're drinking. So we represent probably a couple hundred people a year for various minor things that arise out of Tempe and Scottsdale, like urinating in public or disorderly conduct. But one of the things that, as I was getting ready for work last night and going through my notes and figuring out exactly what I need to do, it occurred to me that I have not posted any content, a vlog or a blog, about public consumption or open container. So let me just talk about that for a little bit. We see this a lot in Scottsdale. So people will drive to the club or the bar, and we've all done it. We've all been there. We want to save a little bit of money. We don't want to spend $15 on a drink or $10 on a beer. So get into the car, and before we leave, we're pouring a drink, and then with your friends. But believe it or not, that is against the law. So you may not be driving, the engine may not be running, you're just there. You're gonna pour yourself a couple drinks, go into the club, and then maybe call an Uber home, or you get a designated driver, or whatever it may be. So, but Scottsdale and Tempe, in fact, the entire state of Arizona has criminalized public consumption or open container. You can't do that, and believe it or not, it is a misdemeanor. So if you are convicted, you are going to have a criminal conviction on your record. So we can, in most cases, we can prevent that. We work very hard. We investigate the cases. We're in Scottsdale or Tempe court nearly on a daily basis, and we've seen hundreds and hundreds of these cases. So in terms of experience, we have a tremendous amount. If you've been issued a citation for public consumption or open container in Scottsdale or in Tempe, give us a call. Free advice all the time. No questions asked, no high pressure, no sales tactics. We're not that type of law firm. We just want to make sure that you're receiving good legal advice. And I'm very confident that during our consultation, you'll see that we're aggressive and we're experienced, and you'll be more than comfortable wanting to hire us and move forward for your charge. Give us a call, 602-980-1987.